Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a website for your distillery. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today and you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to do is ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, distillery. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select it. Great, let's tell Monty Sats a few basic details about our distillery so I can launch a website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your distillery is located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change this up of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Marty Sites work its magic and generate a simple website for our business. And there you have it. It's just done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're all completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of all the amazing alcoholic beverages your distillery is creating, and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can do that. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be working my way through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you either. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top, scrolling very fast. And the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section, the first section over here. I want to make sure I put my email address in over here. And I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and pop our phone number in over here. That will be displayed in the top right hand corner, and it is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my street address as well as my postal code. Now, with multi-site, your location, if you have a physical location, which I'm sure you do, will be displayed in the top left-hand corner of your website. The great thing about that address is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's move on. Over here, I'm going to go and put in our various social media platforms that our distillery is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top as well as the bottom, so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, over here, if you don't have a logo yet, you're in the startup process of your business, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here, your business name, and it still looks really great and professional. If you do have a logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Awesome. My logo is now uploaded. However, I want to make some slight amendments to it. So I'm going to click on this little pencil over here and I'm slightly going to crop it so it fits better in the section at the top. You can also decorate it. You can add filters. You can zoom in. You can rotate it and flip it, rotate it, etc. Awesome. Let's wait for that to re-upload since I've now cropped it. And now let's go ahead and click on save. We can make the logo bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave it. With multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for your websites. If it doesn't quite go with your marketing message and your branding, perhaps throughout your distillery, your business cards, your logo, you can change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this little paint bucket over here and go through the various color palettes available. So I quite like that one, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. There are various color palettes to choose from, and you can change it at a later stage if need be. Over here, I'm going to hit to update image. Now, over here, you can browse your device and upload one of your own image. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free to use. Now, multi-sites will automatically search for distillery, but I'm going to go ahead and change the term to alcohol and see what pops up. You can play around with the terms a little bit and just see which images are suitable for you and your business. Let me go ahead and look at one more page, but there's lots of awesome images over here, whoops, to suit my business. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, select my photo, save my image selection. That looks fantastic. And head over to update content. Now over here we can change the title and subtitle to suit our business needs. Button can link to various places. Doesn't have to say contact us today. Let's just say get directions and head to choose link. Now we can link to another website if need be. We can link to another part of our multi-site websites or an action like click to call directions or click to email. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and pop in directions. Another great option is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a catalog or your latest promotions and deals or all the products you offer in PDF format. You could upload it over there. Over here, again, pre-written content as a guideline, of course, button can link to various places. Click on update section and make the necessary changes. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your distillery came to be, how you got into this industry. Maybe it's a family-owned business, what products you stock. Do you partner with local farmers and suppliers, supporting the community? Do you also offer guided tours and tastings? Go ahead and pop all the details here, maybe some pictures or information on the team running the show, so your customers can know a little bit more about you, your background, and how your business started. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details of different services or products you offer. Do you perhaps offer classes and workshops on cocktail making? Do you regularly host events and private tastings? What kind of alcohol does your distillery produce? Does it produce whiskey, rums, gin, flavored vodkas, whiskeys? Go ahead and pop all the details over here so your customers know what they can come to your distillery for and what products you can provide them with. Now we've made our way into that lead form that I've just mentioned to you previously, where you can link the buttons to as well, which is a great option for those buttons. So you can put the messages contact us and link to the form, so it automatically goes to the bottom of the page so customers can easily get in touch with you. All they need to do is put in their details, their message, click on send, and you will get notified by email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. If you have a custom domain for your distillery, click on connect your domain, say I already have a domain, and go through the various steps in linking it. It's super simple. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Click on blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. As a small business, I do recommend you check out our blog. You'll find lots of valuable information here in marketing your business on social media and in your community, so check it out. If you don't have a domain, click on I want a new domain, as you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature. Over here, we're in the Mighty dashboard. Over here, this is where you'll also find all the leads via that form I've just shown you. Now, I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your distillery business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget, for Mighty Sites, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. Great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more small businesses can hear about the Mighty Sites platform.